arithmetic. So right away, I saw the other trig function is cosine, so I replaced the cosine double angle with 2 cosine squared of x minus 1. So I plugged that right on in. I brought the 2 cosine x over, so the equation said equal to 0. I went right to the let statement, got rid of cosine x, let w be that, to receive 2w squared minus 2w minus 1. And I thought, okay, I have an a value 2, why not MFRT? So when I took 2 times negative 1, there, yikes, we have a situation here. MFRT doesn't work. So we did spend the day, quadratic formula. So I went right to the quadratic formula. I used my a value 2, my b value negative 2, and my c value negative 1. When I substitute that, I get positive 2 plus or minus the negative 2 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now remember, you don't have to simplify this radical 12. I mean, it's good practice for the SAT if you still have to take it for next year. That's, I guess, up in the air, right? So 2 answers, split the plus or minus, so 2 plus the square root of 12 or 4. But if you type this in a calculator, you will see right off the bat it's too big, so no answers there. But if you do type in 2 minus the square root of 12, I do get a reasonable decimal. And I didn't write all of it down, but you know what I did? I stored it on my calculator. So again, how do you store that answer? So 2 minus the square root of 12, then divide by 4. I took this answer, I hit the stow button down here, under an LN, store, and I chose the variable x and enter. So I stored that, so now I can find the angle. Second cosine, so when you have the negative 1 exponent, that's cosine inverse, the calculator is looking for you to enter a decimal. Now, thank goodness this problem did ask me around to the nearest degree, so one of my answers is 111. But I know all students take calculus, and cosine is also negative in quadrant 3. So what's a person left to do? Well, find the reference angle for 111, 69. It's not an answer, but it's a reference angle that'll help you get the second and final answer. So what you do is you draw, and mentally you think of a quadrant 3 angle, label it the reference angle 69, and do your arithmetic. 90 plus 90 plus 69 will give you 249. So we'll probably spend another day working on the cosine double angles tomorrow. But do try the homework problems and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.